The Bambu Lab X2 Carbon 2026 is a groundbreaking 3D printer that pushes the boundaries of innovation and functionality, designed to cater to both enthusiasts and professionals alike. At its core, the X2 Carbon offers a seamless blend of advanced technology and user-friendly design, making it a top choice for anyone looking to elevate their 3D printing experience. Starting with its stunning industrial design, the printer's exterior exudes quality and durability, ensuring it can handle rigorous use. But the real magic lies within. Equipped with a state-of-the-art AI-powered calibration system, the X2 Carbon takes the guesswork out of 3D printing, automatically detecting errors, optimizing print settings, and delivering consistent, high-quality results every time. Whether you're printing with standard PLA, flexible TPU, or more demanding materials like carbon fiber composites, this printer's multi-material capabilities ensure exceptional layer adhesion and durability. What truly sets the X2 Carbon apart is its larger build volume, allowing users to take on ambitious projects without compromising on detail or accuracy. The printer features an advanced cooling system and enhanced thermal management, ensuring flawless performance even during extended or high-temperature prints. For those who value speed, the X2 Carbon doesn't disappoint. Its optimized extruder system and precise motion control deliver high-speed printing without sacrificing the intricate details of your designs. Additionally, the printer's whisper-quiet operation makes it perfect for home or office use, keeping noise levels to a minimum while working on complex projects. Connectivity is another highlight, with cloud-based controls and real-time monitoring that allow you to oversee and manage your prints from anywhere, whether you're at home, in the office, or on the go. This level of flexibility is perfect for busy professionals or anyone who loves the convenience of modern technology. The X2 Carbon also includes easy-to-use software that integrates seamlessly with its hardware, ensuring that even beginners can achieve professional-grade results with minimal effort. Whether you're prototyping new designs, creating functional parts, or experimenting with artistic projects, the Bambu Lab X2 Carbon 2026 empowers you to bring your vision to life with precision and ease. It's not just a tool, it's a partner in creativity, offering unparalleled performance and innovation for the ultimate 3D printing experience.